This video is going to go through the Selected Contact Notes feature. The Selected Contact Notes feature is for when you want to carry over selected notes from the contact record to a transaction. There are lots of various reasons or situations why this would be beneficial. One example could be, let's say that you have a select group of customers that always get a 10% discount. This could be a way for you to convey to the staff doing the sale that this is the case. So if you add some notes, then that particular set of notes will be shown on the cell screen. In the example shown here, note that there are note rows. I don't want or need to have all of these notes carried over as they don't necessarily pertain to future transactions. But in this case, this particular set of notes will. You'll of course want to customize the actual text you use specific to your business and put in notes accordingly. But let's say maybe you have a bronze, silver, and gold membership plan that you offer, and each plan gets a set discount percentage. In that case, you could put something like membership equals gold plan, 10% off. Whatever lets the staff know what it is that you want to do. You'll then want to make sure to check this box on the left to assign it as a selected contact note. Now, let's say some time has passed and this customer is ready to purchase an item. I'm going to open up a new cell and put in the customer name. When I scroll down and click on the blue informational icon, I will then see the notes that has information that I need to see for this customer. Note that if there are no selected contact notes for that customer, then this blue icon will not show. This will prevent the staff from having to click on it every time. And that's a quick summary of how the Selected Contact Notes feature works.